Hello and welcome back. Uh, Today we'll start with the next part, that is page number 40. This is program input. This is chapter number 3.2 from your computer book, page 40 and 41. So as we were previously, we studied about spirit. So what you have, it was about, as I introduced, this is the block screen. Commanded blocks are here. Here is your screen, center of the screen. This is called spirit area, and this place is called stage. So you have to learn all that because that would be the part of your exam. And this is called spirit. So today we're going to do the program which was given on chapter number 3.2. This is program input. Okay, so we will follow the same blocks which are given on page number 41. So what you will do so that you can run the program. So let's start. What you have to do, you have to start with the blocks which are given on page number 40. There is a programs that are given with the heading of sensing blocks. Okay, so we will not put the sensing blocks. We go to the next one, in which you have given something like this. If you see the second one, so it is in the motion, it is saying that ask. So let's add. So it's given like this. I will add now and you will see. We'll do the same as it's given in the book. So you have to refresh. Okay, as it's given that you have to go in the sensing blocks. From the sensing blocks, you will take this one, which is this block is same that is given in your book. Ask what's your name and wait. Then second one is about say hello. And see, this is for 2 seconds, not this one. Say hello for 2 seconds. This is what is given in your book. You can match the same blocks which is given in your book. Now go to page number 41. In page number 41, look at the event. Where is the heading given? That is called start events. There is a you have to add this one so that you will see how you want your spirit to move. Sometimes you have to click. There are options given when you click. So it is given in your book when the spirit clicked. So let's add this here. Okay. Now when you add this, you will see that what's your name. See, it's given same as your book. So you can also type here your name. Okay. Now see here, it's the same things. See, it said hello. And then when you clicked here, see, it is the same thing doing, which is given in your book. So you have to follow in the same way as it is given in your book so that you would have the full marks. So this is what was for today. You have to look at the recording, do the same way, and then send it to me on WhatsApp or in the homework area. You have to record and you have to send that. For saving the program, or maybe you can film it by your phone, or maybe you go to the files, and from files you have to choose save to your computer, and you will save this thing in your computer from files. Okay, and if you want to create the same one, you will have to click new. See, when you click the new one, so they will ask you have to replace the content. You say okay, and then you will have a new program. This is the new program. See, this is how you can save, how you can create a new one, or you can create both of them in one go. Okay, so this is it for today. In the next class, we're going to start with chapter number 3. Please take care and thank you so much for your patience.